Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel Nikki's Cookbook. Today's recipe is a very simple and a very delicious kofta recipe, also known as meatballs. It is prepared with minimum ingredients and yet it is very flavorful. For this we need 1 kg minced meat, and into a mixer add 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger, 10 cloves of garlic, some whole spices, 2 cardamoms, 5 cloves and 2 small sticks of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon zira, cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, 1 finely chopped onion, handful of cilantro and 3 to 4 green chilies. Grind them into a smooth paste. It should look like this. Now mix this ground masala into the minced meat. And yes, salt and turmeric. How can we forget these spices? Now mix them up. Juice of 1 lemon, now grind this meat in a mixer in parts so that it is ground properly. It should look like this. It should be dry and not very watery. It should come together. Now you just have to make the meatballs. It's very simple guys, and you're going to love the flavor, and you can just have it simply like that or as a side dish with dal chawal or anything like that. Now in a kadai, add around 3 tablespoons of oil, 3 big spoons of oil rather. And then just drop in the meatballs and let them cook. That's it. Your meatballs will be ready in a couple of minutes. When you see that there is water oozing out of the meatballs, just swirl it over and let the juice just like cover it up. And then this is the time when you put the lid over your vessel and let them cook till the water dries up. Now this is the time when the water dries up. You just have to roll them over into your kadai. They're actually done guys. You just need the brown color coming up. Flip them over if you want and relish. Yeah, they are nice and firm. It shouldn't break. And you don't need any binding agents for this. It's just like pure meat and the pure masalas, and it's actually very flavorful and very tasty. And this is the end product. You can just have it like that. I mean, in my house, by the time it comes in the plate, it's over. Nothing remains. If you like this recipe, please do subscribe to my channel and please let me know what all you would like to see on my channel. Hit the bell icon and until next time, see you. Bye bye.